Do you invest in ETFs, meaning exchange traded funds? So I do invest in ETFs because they're cheaper than mutual funds. The fees are lower, and 90% of mutual funds underperform ETFs anyway. And mutual funds are a scam. And for more details on this, just do a search on my YouTube page or YouTube vlog, whatever, on mutual funds. I think they're an absolute scam. I don't think anybody should invest in them. But they have really powerful government contacts and all that stuff. And the way it works usually is the capital structure of a company, it goes debt, preferred shares, common shares. I'll explain that. So if a company goes bankrupt, the people to get their money back first, the ones with the senior claim, are the debt holders, right? The bond holders. Then equity holders, stocks. So preferred shareholders get their money back first because they get preferential treatment, hence the name preferred shares. Then the lowest of the low is common shareholders. And when you buy stocks in the stock market, you're usually almost always buying common shares. And common shares don't really have the same voting rights that preferred shares might. Now, if you buy a ton of common shares, then yes, your vote can matter if there's a proxy. Yeah. But I don't try to delineate it or differentiate it by, should I buy this because it's preferred or common? However, when I do invest in private companies, I always love to get preferred shares so that I can't get diluted as much. Yeah.